And welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change email address on your Athene network app. First thing to do is open up the app, and then there are two ways you can change the email, but the best way is tap on the gear icon at the top, then you see change email, then tap on change email, and then you're going to enter your current email. After that, you enter your new email, and then you confirm your new email, and an OTP one-time password will be sent to the email. You input it here, you pay a fee, you can see the fee written right there, and then you tap on send request. And once you're done, that's it. Please note that after successfully changing to the new email, you'll no longer be able to log into the application through social media accounts linked to your old email. Hope you found this video helpful.